Morning. So for today's video, ayan guys, we are really busy getting on with the rooms. We are decorating, ayan. So we've just stripped the wallpaper kasi we are going to put a different wallpaper dyan, a very colorful one. And then that side of the wall, we are going to do some painting kasi ano lang siya, parang cream lang siya before. So, ayan guys, this is one of the nicest rooms namin. Ayan, medyo makalat pa. So we've got a lot to do in this room, but we have just done that one. So we're getting there. Tapos naman dito sa taas. Ayan, meron pa kaming pictures dyan na we have to hang them up in one of the rooms. So tingnan nyo sa labas guys. It's not very nice. It looks like it's going to rain. And I think it's windy as well. And of course, malamig. So dito naman tayo sa taas guys. Ito ang natapos namin ni Mister. Ayan. We put some wallpaper. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Maganda yung design niya, parang Japanese style. Ayan, oh. So, kami ni Mister ang gumawa nito. Nag-wallpaper. He taught me how to do it. And yeah, I've done a good job. We've done a good job actually. So, it's like a light pink na color, diba? And then dito naman na side. Ayan, it's the same. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Looks really good, guys. And then, makita nyo dito yung isa sa famous na orm or mountain here in the area, Great Orm, that one over there. So, dyan guys, merong tram, merong ano ba, basta merong cable cars, tapos merong mga activities dyan guys. Merong mining na place dyan. So, it's really good. So, ayan guys. So, ayan. Lumabas naman si Mr. Sun. Ayan, tingnan niyo, blue sky na. So, di ba kanina, parang gloomy. Tapos, umulan pala, pero lang, saglit lang. But now, ayan, sunshine. Mahangin lang, guys. Ayan, so, nasa labas ako kasi meron akong nakalimutan kasi, meron akong kunin sa, sa opticians. Siya, contact lenses para ni Sam. So, ayan guys, kunin natin kasi for collection kasi today. Tapos mag-close sila ng maaga. So, kailangan din kasi ni Sam for tomorrow sa school niya. So, yeah, he used to have or wear glasses guys, but now nag-contact lenses na. Medyo kamahalan, pero namin siya, binayaran namin siya like monthly. So much, so, which is cheaper. So, ayan guys, malapit na ako. By the way, share ko lang sa inyo, no? Blessing talaga and very supportive talaga itong husband ko. Unexpected, pero kasi nag-mention ako na it would be nice na uwi ako kasama si Sam just for a short break. So, sabi niya, but, kulang-kulang yung natin, yung pera natin. So, we have to just keep the money for in case na kailangan natin. Maybe, uwi na lang kayo like maybe next year, right? So, ayan. Sabi ko, okay, that's fine. Ayan. So, the following day, guys, alam niyo ba, hindi ko talaga siya in-expect. Sabi niya, I was thinking about it. And then, actually, sabi niya, why not go home? Sabi ko, really? I said, yeah, I think you deserve to go home. We have worked so hard in the business. And then at least makauwi ka, makapagpahinga ka, maka-enjoy ka doon sa family mo, kasama ni Sam. So sabi ko, sure. I said, yeah, okay. Pero hindi ko talaga mapaniwala pa. So sabi niya, why do you look at, magkano yung ticket, ganun. Sabi ko, Okay. So, nagtingin ako, sabi ko, oh my God, ang mahal. Magkano? Ganun, ganun. Sabi niya, that's fine. Just go for it. Really? Na-shock talaga ako, guys. Talagang, ang saya ko. Sabi niya, just book it. Here's my card. Book it. Go home. Have a good time. So, ayan, guys. Uwi kami soon. Very soon na talaga. Na-book namin yung flights quite some time now, about 3 or 4 months ago. Pero i-share ko lang sa inyo yung nangyari na yung nag-mention na ako ba. So, ayan guys, nakabook na yung ticket. Uwi na kami soon. In a few weeks, sasama ni Sam. So, yan, kasi nga, very expensive yung fare. So, kami lang dalawa. So, we were there a couple of years ago. So, balik naman kami after 2 years again. So, wow, it's so exciting, guys. I'm really excited. Kasi it's my goal talaga na every 2 years now na malaki na si Sam. Every 2 years, uwi kami. So, oh, yan! Oh my God! Natupad talaga yung goal ko or yung wish ko ba. So, ayan guys, just to share you very exciting news. So, very supportive talaga yung husband ko. Unexpected, but he was so chill about it. So, sabi niya, oh my God, I can't believe it was quite really expensive talaga yung fare. Pero sabi niya, just go for it. Book it. Wow. Thank you talaga sa asawa ko, you know. He's very supportive when it comes to things like this, unexpected. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching my vlog. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!